Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fully secure your Chess Banking mobile account very easily. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, you just have to download the Chess Bank mobile banking application on your iPhone or Android device if you haven't already. So you can just go to their website and click on the Chess mobile application prompt at the top and just click on get, and it will install the mobile application on your phone. So once you are on their application, you just have to go to security and just go to security and set up your two-factor authentication, your Face ID as well. You just have to go to settings and then security on the mobile application. Unfortunately, I cannot do it practically in this video for security reasons. So yeah guys, it's simple. You will get all the prompts. You just have to follow them. You just have to follow the simple steps and you can just do it all by yourself. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.